everyone, this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design, and I have on my brand new Halloween Glimmers necklace that I just made in the video before, so if you didn't see that, check it out. But now I'm going to be doing some Halloween hand art using some amazing washable tattoo markers. Thanks for joining me. Let's get started. Okay, so these are tattoo markers, and I have them from a kit that's from Creativity for Kids, and it's a temporary tattoo kit that comes with these amazing brush tip markers. So they come in all different colors in the large set, and then there's a smaller set that comes with some neon colors. So they are outstanding. I love them because they stay on pretty well. And if you do want to wash it off, you just use soap and water to wash it off. All right, so what I'm going to be drawing on my hand is a pretty simple design. It's just going to be a Halloween ghost holding a sweet little heart pumpkin. So to do that, you want to draw your ghost first. And I start with a simple circle, like that. And then I give the circle a little ghost hand, like that. And then we're gonna need our other ghost hand holding the pumpkin. And then ghosts kind of have a little tail that just goes around like, kind of like that. So just connect it like that. And when you color it in, you can kind of add more line or add more color where you need to. All right, so I already have a good start of my ghost, and let's go ahead and add in the pumpkin. So I'm making a heart-shaped pumpkin. So just create a heart. And I'm leaving this area open because that's where our little ghosty arm is. So you can just fill it in. And this is that neon orange that looks awesome. And since now we have our little pumpkin in there, don't forget the stem. And a leaf if you'd like. Now you can color all of the ghost around it. And you can make your ghost blue or purple or whatever color, or white, whatever color you want to make your ghost. I went with silver because it's super shiny and I like it. All right. So we'll wait for it to dry a little bit, and while we wait for it to dry, I'm going to add a little bit of detail to my pumpkin. And I think I'd like to add a cute little purple bow to my ghost. And if you get some color on the tip, you can always just use the underside of your arm and get it off, or just use a paper towel. Okay, let's add our detail with our black. And our sweet little ghosty face. All right, it's the perfect little Halloween ghost with a heart-shaped pumpkin. All right, so that was so much fun. I love drawing on my hand. And this is my sweet little Halloween ghost using the amazing tattoo markers from Creativity for Kids. Thank you for joining me with Organic Lines Art and Design, and I hope you continue to follow me on my YouTube channel.